Have you ever thought that sound alone, without touching, could make someone pass out or even die? It sounds like sci-fi, but the idea actually exists in real science. Sound is basically a wave of air pressure. At low levels, it's safe, just passes through your ears. But at certain frequencies with extremely high power, those vibrations can disturb your internal organs, causing dizziness, nausea, and messing with your body's systems. There's something called infrasound, low-frequency sound that you can barely hear, but your body can still feel it. At extreme levels, powerful sound waves can shatter windows, crack walls, and your body definitely won't like that. Luckily, most sound weapons are still more in the realm of concepts, limited experiments, and theory. But it's still chilling to think. If sound can kill without touching, do you still dare to say, it's just sound? Drop your thoughts in the comments.